Champions of commitment, aficionados of affection, it's Dr. Turpeau. And guess what, folks? I'm back in the arena where love reigns supreme. Now, tell me, when was the last time that you went on a date with your partner? And no, I'm not talking about that Netflix and chill. I'm talking about a legit, full throttle date night. Let's light it up. Date nights, they aren't just dates. They're investments in the powerhouse partnership that you've built. Time, it slips. And amidst the chaos of our daily hustle, it's date nights that anchor us. It's about recharging, reconnecting, and reminding each other we're in this grand dance together. So, priority one, consistency. Make it regular. Circle that date and make it non-negotiable. It's not just another entry in the calendar, it's your love's quarterly report. Coming in with hot tip number 2, innovate. Don't imitate. Think outside the movie and dinner box. Rediscover the city. Take a class. Be spontaneous. Let every date be a treasure trove of memories. Rounding it off with 3, be present. It's not about grandeur, it's about attention. So listen, laugh, lock eyes, dive deep into the ocean of the moment and leave the world at the shore. Titans of togetherness, your relationship deserves more than the routine. It deserves regular reminders of its magnificence. So, you ready to ignite that spark week after week? Then slam that subscribe, hit that like button, and let's sculpt epic love stories one date night at a time. So, go forth, ignite your romance, elevate your relationship game with me, Dr. Turpeau.